Megan and welcome to my coloring world. Today, we're gonna be coloring the armor of God. Let's start! This is the helmet of salvation. Knowing Jesus saved you protects you and your mind from the enemy. A breastplate protects a soldier's chest and heart. God protects our hearts with a breastplate of righteousness and keeps us doing what is right, even when it's hard. Just like a belt holds everything together, the belt of truth keeps us strong and ready. God's truth helps us stay honest and not believe lies. These are the shoes of the gospel of peace. With them, we always have to be ready to walk in kindness, talk about Jesus, and share God's peace everywhere we go. The Bible is like a sword, giving us wisdom and strength to face challenges. The sword of the Spirit is God's Word, and it helps us guide us, speak in faith, and fight against wrong things. This is the shield of faith. A shield blocks arrows or attacks. When life gets tough or we're scared, our faith in God helps us stay strong and not be afraid. Red. Gray. Dark yellow. Red. Dark yellow. Gray. Light brown. Dark yellow. Light brown. Dark yellow. Gray. Light gray. Dark yellow. Gray. Dark yellow. Wow! Good job! It looks amazing! Thank you for watching. See you next time!